po sa ating mga 1AS4, 1AS5, 1AS6 at 1CEDSOC 3. So, ang ating continuing lecture for Living in the IT Era, midterms, ay midterm lecture 3. Topic ay the social media and social networking. So, basically, if you say social media, anything where you can post and update your followers or your friends or anyone na connected sa'yo doon sa site. Tapos at the same time, you can also post memes, videos, reels. So, depending on your platform, yung content mo will also change. Kasi halimbawa, you can be political in X, at the same time, you can be a memer in Facebook. Tapos, pagdating mo naman sa IG at saka sa TikTok, pwedeng cloud chaser ka, and so on and so forth. So, how does social media work? So, social media basically has the capacity for you on your end to add, unfriend, block, or chat people either you know or you don't know, depending nga dun sa platform niya. So, just to clarify as well, you can also share your content or you can create your own content pagdating po dito. So, you also have the option of just being a follower or being a friend. Depende po yan doon. Also, social media uses yung inyong newsfeed or reels, yung yung inyong may algorithm sila usually dyan. So, algorithm means an opportunity, or hindi naman opportunity, a way to calculate or a way to compute kung ano yung mga next na lalabas dun sa inyong newsfeed or dun sa inyong mga videos na pinapanood. Ang best example nito sa TikTok, pag nanood ka ng isang trend, chances are you will see the other trends, either other trends o kaya same trends na different personalities yung yung nanonood or nagsasayaw. So we have 4 types of social media. So social networks, so lahat tayo familiar dito. Media networks as well. So difference ng social media at saka media networks, chances are kasi dun sa media networks, tawag dyan, more on either video or picture na na hindi nako-compress yung inyong nasisend. Tapos discussion networks and review networks. So if you are not familiar with review networks, yung Yelp po, yan po yung pwede kayong magbigay ng feedback sa isang restaurant or isang establishment. Tapos TripAdvisor naman sa isang hotel, sa isang vacation spot or vacation area or tourist spot, o kaya dun sa inyong airline ticket, dun sa inyong pag kayo ay nag-travel. So, social network. So, basically, this is known as a virtual community. So, kung sino yung mga inad mo dito, pwedeng hindi mo sila kakilala in real life or pwedeng kakilala mo in real life. Tapos, possible din na nakakausap mo sila doon or pwedeng hindi. So, if you say social network, yan yung pinakamalaking type of social media kasi yan parang pangmasa, kumbaga. Types of networking sites. So, ito po. So, please take note na lang. So, I won't be able to explain them one by one kasi they are already on your module and they're also here naman. So, self-explanatory siya. Okay po. So, just to clear, Google Plus, Mastodon, and Mix are basically non-existent na ata sila ngayon eh. Kasi assure ako ang Google Plus ay hindi nag-click kasi masyado siyang late na i-release. Tapos we have here concerns or problems in social media. So first off, yung likes and comments, it basically inflates our ego. Ang problem niyan, yung term na feeling famous, may chance na maging ganun kayo. Tapos fake identities po, kunwari merong humihingi ng GCash, nagpapasend ng GCash sa inyong accounts or merong mga nagpapanggap na ikaw, ganun po siya. Elimination of face-to-face conversations. Best example nito ganito eh. Halimbawa, I have a Facebook friend na nung nagkita kami, nagkasalubong kami sa corridor or sa kalsada or sa mall. Ni magpansinan, hindi kami nagpansinan nung nasalubong ko siya. Pero lagi ako nagre-react sa kanya, lagi siya nagre-react sa akin sa mga post ko, ganun. Tapos procrastination in a sense na since wala kang ibang ginagawa, hawak mo lang Socmed account mo, andun ka lang, nakatuto ka lang. Imbis na yung gagawin mo, kailangan mong gawin, natitigil siya kasi nga nagtitingin ka ng IG, nagtitingin ka ng TikTok, and so on and so forth. Tapos privacy in a sense as well na kalmawa, mahilig ako mag-post kung nasaan ako. Alam nyo agad na may pinuntahan akong ganito kasi nga fineflex ko siya. Yun yung problem. So if you want to be private, chances are hindi mo siya magagawa kung ikaw ay active social media user. So in summary po, so social media basically is a way for us to connect and at the same time disconnect from people kasi minsan nga we are friends in the web pero sa tunay na buhay hindi. Tapos minsan naman hindi tayo magkaibigan diyan pero sa tunay na buhay magkasundo pala tayo and so on and so forth. So basically social media as well has the capacity to make us connected and there are algorithms used para yung content na pinapanood ninyo ay relevant dun sa kung ano yung mood or kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin at the time. Okay po, and then last one, so you cannot have a social media account without signing up. And media sites, usually social media sites are basically created or maintained by one company, hindi lang basta isang tao, dalawang tao. So kung kunwari ako ay assigned lang sa CAPTCHA generator, yun lang ang gagawin ko maghapon. So ganun ang tasking. Hindi yan yung parang ikaw lahat ang gagawa, walang ganun. Okay po, so I hope na mapanood muna ito bago ko mailabas ang inyong quiz 3 sa midterms. So I will see you again in the next lecture. Hopefully po kayo ay wag tumigil sa paglalagay ng attendance doon sa ating comment section kasi that will count as 20% of your grade sa midterm. So see you guys. Salamat po.